Hi everybody, it's Christina Quick, the Tarot Biz Mentor here from the Profitable Psychic Divination and Business Academy. And in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 really smart and cheap marketing tools that you should probably go ahead and pick up for your spiritual life coaching business. So we're just going to dive right into this one, not going to waste any time today. So the very first one that I recommend is Canva, Canva, and I will have links to all of these in the description box below that you can find them and you can go sign up. Now, Canva is free and it provides you the means to create beautiful graphics for your business. They have templates, they have templates and dimensions that are already calculated for all your spiritual or your social media profiles, and also they come with stock photos, and they also have, even now they're rolling out some like really cool like animated clip art and things like that. So I have been using Canva for years and years and years, and I love Canva. They even have a premium account that you can sign up for, and it gives you access to a lot more like stock photos and things like that. You can also utilize like Pixabay, Unsplash, some of these other stock photo websites that I've maybe talked about in the past. And maybe I'll do another video about where to get good stock photos for free or for low cost. But Canva is one of my favorite ways because most of the stock, they have an agreement with a lot of the stock photo companies that like instead of just buying a stock photo for unlimited uses for $15 or $20, you can basically buy usage for $1. So it's a lot more cost effective, especially if you know you're not going to be using that picture again. It's a savings of like $1 versus $15, which is a lot. So I love Canva I pretty much make all of my social media images in Canva. I use their stock photos. You can upload your own fonts. And then again, if you want to, you can sign up for the premium membership, and I think it's like $12.95 a month, so about $13 a month, and it gets you access to a lot more stock photos and some exclusive fonts and things like that. And you can also create folders to kind of keep your creations organized. But yeah, so Canva's first and foremost one of the main places that I think that you should sign up for to be able to create fairly easily and without much prior experience. I mean, if you know your way around a Word document, I'm pretty sure that you can create on Canva. It's pretty easy. It's a lot easier than Photoshop, I'll tell you that. Okay, so the second thing that I think you should be investing in is some sort of social media planner. So I like personally Post Planner, which is like they have plans that you can go on like $3 a month, or I think I'm on the $11 per month or $12 per month plan, but I get like so many accounts. And what I really love about Post Planner is that where you're gonna find issues with a lot of the other social media planners out there is that they don't have the repeat function. And what I love about Post Planner is I use Post Planner mostly for all of my groups, like my daily themes, all that kind of stuff, because literally I can just click a button and say, okay, repeat this every week. So I don't have to come in and schedule them all the time. So I love that about Post Planner. And there's other things you can do with it, like you could load it up with a whole bunch of posts. Then you could set a schedule up to where, okay, I want to post 3 times a day. I want to post it 3 times, and I'm just going to do a shuffle. I'll post something random. So if you have a bunch of blog posts, or you're like me, you have a bunch of YouTube videos, then honestly, I really should be usually using that function more, but I've gotten kind of lax on it. But yeah, so I love Post Planner for that. Now, when it comes to another type of scheduler I really love HootSuite, and I just use the free version of HootSuite. And you can schedule, I think, up to 30 posts, I believe, for free on HootSuite. And you can have, I think, 1 account per social media, and I think you can have up to 3 accounts total on the free plan. Now, they're a little bit more expensive if you go with the premium plan. It's about $45-50 a month, but you get a lot. I mean, you get unlimited everything. So, I mean, it's up to you. And I really find that I use Hootsuite mostly for Instagram, for scheduling Instagram. That's what I usually use Hootsuite for. And I really love, between Post Planner and Hootsuite, I really love that I can, load one post, and I could do the hashtags, and I can do the descriptions, and I can click as many profiles as I want. So it'll automatically post to all of those profiles at the same time. And so if you're doing all of your stuff by hand, yeah, I can see why you might not want to advertise on social media. But I promise you, if you check into like Post Planner or Hootsuite, there's a bunch of different ones out there you can check into. But I like those 2 the most. Then you'll be saving yourself a lot of time. And then the third thing I recommend that you get is Zoom. I recommend that you go ahead and ditch Skype. Just go ahead and get rid of that. It's not as robust as Zoom. On Zoom, you can teach classes, you can do conferences, and you can actually see people one-on-one and even set it up to record your sessions for free. So you can have unlimited one-on-one meetings with people on Zoom. And then if you want to do like group coaching or you want to do like group meetups or something like that on Zoom, you can do that. And then I believe, I want to say it's like $15 a month I pay for it or something like that. And what I really like about Zoom is that you can cancel at any time. So you can like put a pause on it. So you're like, okay, if I only need this for doing like a 6 month program, then I'm only going to pay for 6 months. And then you can like say, okay, you can go over to your Zoom account and say, okay, I don't need it for this month, so I'm going to cancel it, and then restart up your subscription when you actually need it. Zoom is really great. It comes with like a little messenger thing, so you can like add people on it, and pretty much everybody uses Zoom these days. And if you buy the higher end package, which I think is like $50 a month, then you can actually broadcast your basically you can go into like a video chat room, and then you can click on broadcast and you can send that to your live stream, so you could do actual broadcasts with like multiple people in it, if that makes sense. The only other two ways I know how to do that is through inviting someone onto the live stream through mobile, and then also using Be Live, be.live, I believe it's called, where you can have that's another streaming company or software or cloud-based software really that I really recommend. Maybe I'll do another video on my favorite streaming methods, live streaming methods, because I get a lot of questions about live streaming. So that might be the next video. But so I hope this helps you. Check out these companies. They'll make your life a lot easier. So again, that's Canva, Post Planner, Hootsuite, Zoom, and I'm not affiliated with any of these companies. So I'm sharing them because I love them, and there's nothing that I have to gain from sharing them, but other than trying to make your life easier. So I hope you check into these companies, and I hope you check these tools and these tech tools out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.